Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a water pump. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a socket set, various screwdrivers, and a large drain pan. It is crucial to ensure your engine is completely cool before starting this repair to prevent burns. Next, safely lift and support the front of your vehicle, providing ample working space underneath. Finally, have about 10 to 12 liters of the correct coolant mixture on hand for refilling. Now, let's drain the old coolant and disconnect components. Begin by removing the engine cover and air intake duct to gain clear access to the water pump area. Next, place a drain pan beneath the radiator and remove the drain plug to completely empty the cooling system. Carefully disconnect the fan shroud and remove the entire cooling fan assembly. Finally, loosen all hose clamps and detach every hose connected to the water pump. With the system drained, it's time to remove the old pump and install the new one. First, disconnect the electrical connector from the water pump. Then, remove the several mounting bolts that secure the pump to the engine block. Gently pry the old water pump away from its housing and carefully remove it. Now, install your new water pump with a fresh gasket, ensuring all bolts are tightened evenly to the manufacturer's specifications. The final steps involve refilling your cooling system and bleeding out any air. Reconnect all hoses and electrical connectors, ensuring they are secure. Slowly fill the coolant expansion tank with your 50-50 coolant and distilled water mixture. Next, activate the automatic bleeding procedure by turning on the ignition, setting the heater to maximum, fan to low, and pressing the accelerator pedal for 10 seconds. This cycle takes about 12 minutes. After, check for leaks and top off the coolant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.